Welcome back sa vlog ni Maring Queen. Okay, come here na kami.
What do we need that for?
We need it for our... Okay. Padilim na Mars, so magtago na tayo. Bago tayo kainin ng wakwak. Wakwak talaga. Diba? Ay, nako. Kailan... Si Mixo naman, gustong-gusto na mag-snow. Wag muna na. Not yet. I'm not ready for that snow.
I am ready.
Oh my God. Sana all ready. No, let's hope that we will have white Christmas.
White Christmas?
Yeah, kay di masyado common dito yung white Christmas. Swertihan lang na magkaka white Christmas kami. Mag-snow pag November, pero usually second week of December nagmi-melt na. Open na. Open. Ah, pero last ano pala? Last Christmas white pala tayo. Ang kapal ng snow.
White what?
White Christmas.
What? We have white Christmas.
Your meaning
I like
outside is full of snow. You know? It would be nice than dark Christmas. Ay. Elevator na nga lang tayo kay yung elevator andun sa 5th floor. Sige, you run.
No, you go to elevator.
No, I will go to elevator.
Elevator.
Stop shouting. Hey. No, you go to elevator. Ihing na ako. May nagsabi po sa inyo na huwag ko iwan si Mixo sa elevator. No worry po mga Mars kay pag na-stuck yan siya dyan sa elevator. Alam niya kung ano yung gagawin niya dyan. Pipindutin niya yung alarm. Tinuruan namin yan siya. Pero just in case, marunong siya. For emergency. Ikuta. I want to eat. Ay, wow, it's so soft.
It is. So.
Did you taste already?
No, I just opened it.
Wow, it's so like that oh. Ito yung nakuha natin sa ano mga Mars. Mystery Grocery Bag.
Is it good?
Yeah.
No, mitä Mixo?
Masarap siya. Electric fan.
Ei talvella.
Really? Electric fan, Mixo? No, go a little there. Balcony. Stay there 5 minutes.
Aircon is on.
The aircon is very on there. And it's free. No need to pay electricity. Initan daw siya.
Siellä on vielä yksi makkara.
As you used to makara. I don't like it.
Ah jaa, joo. Okay.
Used to makara.
Joo, easy.
Yung cheese ano.
Joo. Mixo,
Sausage.
tulet maistaa
Ngayon pala ako nakapag-vlog ulit. Ano ba ito? Bakit parang madilim yung paningin ko sa ilaw namin. Mixo! Come here na! Okay, paligpit ko tong kalat niya dito sa sala namin, oh. Sige na. Put all your toys. No. Where you put those?
I don't know.
Sige na.
I don't know. What?
Because soon you go to sleep.
Nene.
Ayan, oh, nagtinamad na naman siya mga Mars. Ay, why laughing? Sige na.
I have to go to pee.
Ay, daming advertise.
I
Ay,
have to.
ay dami.
I have to.
'Di ba? Pag inutusan mo, daming advertise. Pero malilinis na yan mga Mars. Tingnan natin. Kaya lang, una niyan, drama. Galing ako dun sa sauna namin. Naglinis ako, hindi pa tapos. Bukas na lang kay napagod na ako mga Mars. Eh. Yun lang yung kaibahan pag dito lang yung work ko ba. Sobrang lapit lang. Ang problema nito kay pag one day lumipat na kami ng bahay. So pag pumunta ako dito dapat tapusin ko talaga yung trabaho ko sa isang puntahan para hindi pa balik-balik. Eh ganito, okay lang na hindi ko tapusin ngayon tapos bukas na naman, di ba? Sige na, kawawa kayang ilong. Namula na yung ilong ng mga Mars. Ito daw, oh. Sige na, you are already tired, okay.
I'm not
You did not
tired.
sleep.
I'm not tired.
Really?
No.
Oh, sana all. Sige na. Sige na, all yours. Hey, my clothes is done.
Yo, okay. Yo,
It's only you and Mixo.
Yo, yeah.
Mikael. Now. I will send a letter to Santa Be that Mixo is not guilty.
How is the letter gonna go so far? I'm gonna make a flying letter.
You did not know that Santa received letter by post?
No.
No, now you know. I will send a letter that Mixo is not guilty, so don't come here. Christmas is coming, so you know what happened if you are not good boy. Santa won't come here. Sige na, clean it.
I am. I'm doing this as fast as I can.
Why you are lying?
I'm lying because I like to lie.
Net.
I'm doing.
Naggawa kasi to siya ng bahay-bahay kanina mga Mars, kaya yung lamesa niya, nilagyan niya ng mga blanket kasi doon siya nagtago.
Excavator. I got.
Tinamad man iya ang style. Ay. Hoy!
Just go in there. Go.
O, di ba? And also your blanket ha, you know how to fold it.
When you took it.
Ha?
You took it, so you have to go put it back
Where?
to wherever you took it because you took it. You took it out from there.
From where?
You took my blanket from here.
Ah!
So you put it back.
Okay, I will put it back. So, ako na naman. So, who put it there? To the table, ha?
You.
No.
You.
Who made the maya-maya?
You. You made the Maya Maya.
No, who hid there?
You.
No, not me. Oh, sige na. All toys, ha?
Stop looking at me.
Okay. I'm not looking at you. Wag daw ako tumingin sa kanya. Ay! Where you going? You're not yet done. Ah, nagdala pala siya ng malaking truck dito. Dala niya pala yan. Do you still play with that? Or maybe we can donate it now.
Donated what?
That car.
I still play with it.
Ah, you play with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe next week, we remove some toys. Because it's plenty of toys there already.
Only thing what I want to remove is
Because Christmas is coming. If you are good boy, Santa will give you a lot of toys.
I can't go out.
Sige na.
No, korjaas nyt poika.
Kaya nga. Nyt Korea. Oh, it's not so plenty anymore.
Siivoas nyt.
Ayan. Oh. Matapos niya yan mga Mars kasi pag nasa mood talaga yan siya. Mabilis yan tapos mag-arrange pa yan siya ng mga gamit niya. Ngayon lang kay pina-turn off ko na sa kanya yung iPad eh. Kanina pa siya nag-iPad habang naglalaro. Sabi ko, clean up na. Kay soon natulog na siya. Lalo na mga Mars. Dahil si Mixo ay andun na sa bed. Baka pagbalik ko tulog na yon. At nakakuha si Pars ng mystery grocery bag. So sana meron tayong maharbat dun sa ating Mr. Bean at mystery grocery bag pa. Dami na naman tayong food pero i-share man natin yan. Aba, sa lahat ng balcony dito mga Mars, yung balcony na yun ang pinakamailaw dito sa amin. Yeah. Pero in fairness, maganda siya. Maglagay kaya din ako dun sa aming balcony para hindi masyadong madilim ba. Ay, unahin ko muna pick up yung mystery grocery bag. So, ako na pala ang kukuha ngayon dito, Mars. Ay, yan yung ating grocery. Ano kaya laman nito? Tignan natin kung perfect yung ating grocery, mga Mars. Gusto ko na matulog. Pero maaga pa para matulog. Yun yung aura ko dyan. Oh, hindi ko nga naayos yung aking muka, mga Mars. Magaan siya. Parang alam ko na kung ano laman nito. Mga salad-salad. Tingnan natin din. Magaan siya. Ayan. Magkano kaya bayad ni Pars dito? Hindi naman kita, Mars. Hindi ko rin masyadong kita kahit walang flashlight. Sa bahay na lang. Sana okay. Basta nakita ko mga salad. Pero okay lang yan. Basta mga salad-salad. Mag-ayos nga tayo ng buhok bay para tayong inaway nito. Huh? Hindi ba lang ako nakapag-ayos? Tayo ako doon kanina sa market. Oy. Okay. Let's go. Hello, Mr. Bean. How are you? Huy. Ano to? Oh my. Gracia Mars, my chicken. Ay, wala na. Sayang naman sa niya. Sa ice cream. Ang bango ng basurahan. Uy. Wala, kasayang. Ice cream to eh. Panghinayang eh. May onion pa ako dun, mga Mars. Sa freezer namin. Grabe, ang dami nung ice cream. Nakakapanghinayang. Pero wow. Wow, jackpot. Thank you, Mr. Bean. Laman. Isang bean lang yung may laman, Mars. Uy, pero at least. Okay lang din pala na buwaghag yung buhok ng maringkoy ninyo. Kaya naswertihan naman tayo. Ay, salamat. Nakakuha din ng manok dyan kay Mars. Wholesale bin. Matagal-tagal din akong kuha ng dyan, manok. Sabi? Yan ako maglagay ng sanitizer pero ang bango ng bean. May naaamoy ako na May naaamoy ako ba na as in mabango siya. Naalala ko yung amoy ng Pinas. Yung pagkain mga Mars, hindi yung amoy ng Pilipinas na. Basta may naaamoy ako na mabango siya. Ano kaya yun? Siguro yung ice cream. Yun siguro yung nangangamoy dun. Okay, dahil close na ang Rostavin. Nakasalubong ko yung last stop dito na may sasakyan. Kita ko na dito siya galing sa likod at labas ba. So lahat ng staff ganitong oras umaalis na. Kaya tayo na naman dito. Ayan. Ano kaya gagawin ko no pag may biglang lumabas na staff ba? Galing dun sa loob. Pero basta mga ganitong oras, wala na. Uy, hindi ako nagdala ng sakubag. Ay, luma man to. Walang bago, Mars. Kailan man to nila i-empty, uy. Para mas easy ba? Kalkalin. Wala, luma nga siya, Mars. Ito baka may bagong tapon dito. Wala kasi ang pinatapon kasi nila dito. Ayun. Ano yung mga bulaklak? Mga bulaklak to. Ang halaman. Yun, ang ganyan yung tinatapon nila. Inti man. Inti na inti. Ay! Ano ba yan? Ito kaya? Wala man. Kaya tayo. Oh, ayan, may ilaw na. Para makita talaga natin. Kasi matutulis. Wala. Ano ba yan? Bye, Rosta. At least kahit papano, minsan, Rostavin, binibigyan mo ako ng jackpot ba? Kahit hindi man araw-araw, at least may nakukuha ako sa'yo. Malaking tulong din yan si Rostavin ko. Hindi siguro namisita si classmate ngayon. Kaya hindi man niya kinuha yung chicken, mga Mars. Ganyan yan siya eh. Pero nung nag-edit ako ba, doon ko na figure out ano yung kinuha niya na hindi ko kinuha. Ay yung patatas, mga Mars, na naka-slice siya ng maliliit tapos nakalagay sa vacuum sealed na plastic. Yun yung nawala doon. Kay ayoko kasi nun eh. Maliliit nun tapos sira na yun dahil nag-water na at galing yun sa chiller nila ba. Kita ko na nga minsan yung tubig kaya hindi ako kumukuha talaga ng patatas na binalatan na. Mas maganda yung hindi pa nabalatan. So, let's go. At least hindi ako bukya. May isa akong nakuha at meron akong mystery grocery bag. Okay. Ano tayo, mga Mars? Bitbitin ko na tong manok na nakuha natin. Lagay ko dito sa akin mystery grocery bag. Ready ko na ipasok yung aking sako bag. Ayan, matutuwa yung ating cars. So, tara, pasok na tayo. Dumating yung aking kapitbahay. Ayan, oh. Ang hirap i-park yung sasakyan niya kay dun sa pinakadulo talaga ba. Nag-try ako dun kay gusto ko nga ipasok na yung sasakyan ko Mars dyan sa may cover. Tuwing winter time ba, nakakapagod yung magtanggal ka ng snow sa sasakyan mo. Tapos, pag makapal ang snow, kailangan maaga kami lumabas ni Phoenix. So, nung sinubukan ko, Diyos ko, ang hirap ipasok. Ipahaba pa naman yung sasakyan ko. Hindi siya yung same na sasakyan ni Rosalie. Maliit. So, mabilis lang yun ipasok dun sa pinagparkingan ng kapitbahay ko. Ano naman ito? Wala. Ito sa basura ko man yun. Dito sa jacket ko. Sugar galing dun sa workplace. Nahulog. Itong bulsa ko, ang daming abubot. Diba? Ang daming abubot. Kaliwat kanan nito, may laman. Ano ba ito? Kabila. Cellphone and susi. Paano ko naman yung aking susi? There is chicken.
I hope this is as good as yesterday.
The chicken is from Bin. And the other is from Mr. Big. Ay, tulog na si Mixon natin. Yeah, not bad.
2 kilos.
2 kilos of chicken. But this is already
Still frozen.
But this is already cooked, right?
It is.
Yeah, it's still frozen. Still frozen because outside is cold.
Yeah, it is already done, cooked.
So just put it there.
Yeah. Fry icy wings in oil. No need it. An air fryer. Icy 25 minutes, 190 degrees.
Okay. You want me to try?
Should we try? Let's try.
You know what I'm thinking?
Huh?
I want to make some sauce, like sweet sauce.
Oh, where like dipping sauce?
No, you put it like mix it.
Yeah,
And
okay.
then like Korean sauce.
Like that sticky thing. What's that called?
Yo, because I remember Ralph during the
Yeah.
sushi
I
before.
remember. Yeah.
They had that fry chicken wings and then
Yeah.
there is sauce.
So, yeah, I'm sure it is tasty. What's that? Bread?
Ito ni salad. Hoy! We have a lot. Maybe we give some.
We can
to
give
Mom.
mom, yo.
No, hoy! There's
that?
feta
Ah, this is the-
avocado wrap.
Oh, nice.
Dami.
Yeah, wrap. You like wraps? Paisti viipale. This is different.
Ah, this is different?
Different,
Ah,
yeah.
okay.
This is fast. Oh, salmon. Oh,
Yeah, I like these.
yo, those are good.
Not bad.
We have so beautiful hornets.
Here we can give Mom.
We can give mom. Yo, true.
Because we have a lot of
Yeah,
hornets here.
we
have.
have. Yo, we have. We can give mom. Yeah.
How much you paid? 8 euro?
80 euro, yes.
And this one, the price of this salmon is 12.49.
9.25.
9.25. This is 5
5
euro.
euro.
Not bad.
Ah, what's that? Fish
Hey, Carla,
sticks.
baby.
No, fish sticks.
Oh my god, we have a lot of
It's
food.
tasty.
You can share to Mom.
We can share to mom, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, it's coleslaw, like you can add the sauce.
It's
But
curry.
here is
It's curry.
cabbage, you can't eat it.
Hindi ako kumakain ng
Yeah.
cabbage. Kaya yung ating
Yeah, we can give mom.
Not bad.
Kebabrulla.
Yeah.
Is here something what you want to eat?
Not maybe with
I can eat this one.
Okay, and then
We
we
can
give
give this one to Mom.
Mixo tomorrow.
What is the flavor?
Ah, it's not good for Mixo. Maybe you eat that and give this to Mixo tomorrow.
Yeah, I think it's your jalapeno. So
This one.
give that to me so I can eat.
And
this
warm this there, like crispy.
Yeah,
because
yeah,
Mixo
yeah.
like.
And you
Yeah.
can have that.
Yes, I can have
Yeah.
this tomorrow.
Yeah. Feta avocado.
With the
Very
avocado
tasty.
after work.
Yeah.
Yes. Not bad.
Not bad, not bad.
We really save it.
We need to make the fish now.
No, but we have a lot of food, Rakas.
Okay, now then we put in the freezer. Yeah, let's put the freezer. Yeah.
We can.
Because you are right, we have a lot of food. Yeah, we
And
have.
Saturday we are leaving.
Yeah, true.
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Yeah.
We still have food there.
Yeah, outside is that what I made yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's put the freezer. It's
So
fine.
I'm pretty sure it's not yet. Paha.
Yeah.
So, yan yung ating kuha mga Mars fish.
Anything else comes
This
to
one.
We need to separate.
Yo. Ito, and then ito from Mr. Bean.
Do you want to make that sauce now? Nice.
Ito from Mr. Bean. Tapos, ayan. I really like this. Maybe we put this to freezer first.
Okay, let's do it.
Because we have a lot of bread
Yeah.
now.
Okay.
And then that one. Not bad.
So, other salad can go to Mom.
Balot na tayo para kay Diana. Okay. How about this? Maybe we give it to Mom.
Do we?
Because I'm pretty sure we don't cook.
We don't do make a soup now. Yes.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay.
So
Okay.
ito,
You can drop it to Mom.
harap natin to kay.
I'm gonna put this to freezer and
Some of it.
yo, we need to separate.
Yeah. And maybe you need to half of it. Because it's, hey,
No, we can keep it there.
okay.
Keep on.
So I will go to
How
Vienna.
many pieces you want? Chicken?
No, maybe just, do you eat?
Yeah,
5 for me.
5.
You.
How many?
No, it's so small.
No.
No. Napahawak tuloy ako sa tiyan ko. Okay. Titingay pa tayo, Mars. Si Mixo natin ay tulog na. Diba? Si Biana natin. Lagi ding may ayuda. So, minsan, sakto-sakto lang talaga yung nakukuha ko mga Mars. At minsan, pag puno na talaga, binibigyan ko sila. Yung aking kamay. Ang bango. Diretso ko na. Bigay kay Biana. Iabot ko na lang ito. Tulog na yan. Ay, wala yun na nasuyo. Years. Magsha-shower daw siya. Papunta na daw sana siya ng bathroom, kaya pala ang tagal na nakabukas. Matutuwa yun si IT natin. I-search ko nga yung sauce. Ay, kumato. Yo,
It's a little messy.
I'm pretty sure, and some package there.
No.
Maybe we can arrange tomorrow.
We can arrange tomorrow.
So this one we can.
I can put the fryer now.
Yeah, I need to search.
Yeah, it took 25 minutes.
Ah, it's quite long. Saan yung ating cellphone? Ano ba? Yung freezer namin puno na naman daw. Kailangan i-arrange. Arrange lang ang kulang yan, Mars. Pag na-arrange na, okay naman siya. Ayan, oh. Nag-ano ako dito sa aking customer kanina. Wala. Mixo it again. A lot.
Yeah. He was there watching that.
Yeah, he really likes
He
this.
really likes those. Yes.
Hey, he's a real Finnish, like pulla.
Full, ayo.
Yung mga Finnish, mga Mars, ang hilig nila ng ganito. Yan.
Hola.
Search ko muna yung anong timpla niya. Okay, ito na. Na-search ko na sesame oil, wine vinegar, at cooking wine. Puro naman to wine, eh. And brown sugar. So, Korean yan. Korean lang. Good, eh. Try lang natin kung perfect. Yung iba, ang ginagawa nila ay garlic sweet sauce. Pero, di ko masyadong type yung garlic sweet sauce. I don't know kung magugustuhan to ni parson natin. So, mano-mano lang ito mga bars. Kaya, i-ano man natin yung timpla nito. Titikman ba? And then, cooking wine. Vinegar pala. Cooking vinegar. Ito ba? Matagal na to. Bigay pa to ng sister-in-law. Bakasyon sila sa Italy. Pero nung nagbakasyon kami sa Italy, hindi ako nakabili ng ganyan. Okay. Kunti lang yung sugar, diba? Sobrang tamis din. And let's mix it. Parang madamihan pa yung sesame oil. Camera, position. Ang ganda pala siya dyan. Ay, excited yan, Mars. Ano kaya pwede ilagay dito? Ito lang naman. Kunti lang. I-minute ko lang to. And then mamaya titikman natin kung masarap ba. Okay. It's getting sticky. We need to warm it again.
Heat it a little.
You sure, huh?
Yeah, I want to taste it. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's perfect. But
You need something like a bowl or something?
we need to put it here like when it's boiling.
Okay.
Because, see, it's still
Yeah.
sticky. How can it stick in? Because of the sugar.
Sugar, yeah. When it cools,
You.
it'll stick.
I like that taste. Look at.
Yeah.
I hope it's perfect. But I like the sauce.
Yeah, it was tasty.
Mm.
A little sweet. What are you thinking?
No, if you want spicy. You can put your
I can add it,
you can add your sauce. 9:30, you're still eating.
But I'm hungry. I was planning to eat that food what I did yesterday.
You have not yet tasted it.
There.
You put it here and mix it together. Like that.
Like that. And then you just...
Yeah, and you just like this.
Yeah, that looks nice. Yeah, it really looks nice.
I just saw it in Instagram.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
But actually, I taste this before.
Yeah.
But not Korean.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Looking good.
Oh,
Yeah.
like this.
Like that. And then we just let it cool a little.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Like,
Look at that.
I think we can transfer now.
Okay. What? Well.
I have this.
Okay.
How many pieces you put? 10?
Well,
So
I said I'm hungry.
so it's 7. Okay, I changed mine. 6, 6.
6, 6. It's fine.
Okay. 4, 6.
6, 6.
6, 6. This one is mine.
Yeah, it's yours.
Ayan.
I also have salad.
Oh, may salad pala sa Pars. And ito yung akin. Ayan. Ayan. Salad si Pars. Ayan.
Do you want color?
No, I don't want. This one. You can put sauce rakas if you want spicy.
I think I don't want to mix it.
Are you sure?
I think.
Yeah, because that's the main sauce.
Yeah. I don't want to mix it like mix the flavor.
Actually, sa Korean, lalagyan nila ng chili. Hindi ko man dare na lagyan ng chili. So, ganito lang. Kain muna tayo, Mars. Success. Na 12 pieces is not enough.
True.
Naubos ni Parzo. Yummy! Mas gusto niya to na luto kumpara nung normal chicken wings. So sabi niya next time,
This is so tasty.
pwede ko na tong gawin now. But we need to buy more wine vinegar kasi ubos na yung wine vinegar ko. It's just very easy. Brown sugar, wine vinegar, cooking wine.
You really did it fast.
Yo, and what else? Sesame.
Sesame. See.
Sesame oil and seed.
Ah, yeah.
No, it's just, you just mix it until it boil and then it's,
Very nice.
ang perfect na, akala ko sobrang tamis. Kasi nung tinikman ko, tinitimplahan ko siya kanina, matamis. Pero nung na-mix ko tong manok, wala na siyang tamis mga Mars. Masarap siya.
And dozen wings was not enough for
Not
us.
enough. Maybe next time 10-10.
Yeah, true.
Yummy. I can try to find that in Asian shop, that wine vinegar.
Yeah.
Because that wine vinegar is sweet and sour. Not really sour, but it's a little. It's supposed to be apple vinegar, but we don't have apple vinegar. I don't like apple vinegar if you put it there. That's the recipe, apple vinegar. Yo.
Okay.
Pero mas masarap siya, Mars. Pasado kay Pars. Next time, gawa tayo
Very
ulit.
So
Yummy. Yummy.
Very yummy.
Dahil nakakain na. Pag-upit si Pars.
Yummy.
I think
Just open it.
it's ready. Ah, not yet. It's not yet full. Okay, sayang ang tubig ko rin. Puno pa. May space
So
pa.
good.
For tomorrow.
It was so delicious.
Yeah. Next time, we cook again.
We will make this again.
And we have a lot of chicken now.
Yeah, that's good.
2 kilos of chicken. Habang kumakain kami, sinikso natin, nagising. Pinagpapawisan pala. Tinakbo ko agad. Pero naka-idlip naman siya ulit mga
I'm
man.
happily surprised of the taste.
Yeah.
You are a good cook.
It's
You are
yummy,
a
no?
good
It's yummy.
cook.
Experiment.
Yeah, great experiment.
Very good experiment. Success. You think it's ready, the machine now?
Oh, we can put it.
It's ready?
So-
I know, I mean that.
You the hair cutter.
You're the hair cutter.
I thought you were
Still,
talking about
ano?
this. Let's see. I think it may still.
Para matapos na yung buhok mo kay anak.
5 minutes, okay?
Ano oras na? 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
Okay. Maybe I will just wash my face while waiting. Sinasaksak pa yung panggupit ng buhok. Ayun na nga, tapos na si Pars, nagupitan ko na. Mabilisan lang. Hindi naman makapal yung buhok ni Pars. Mga 10 minutes tapos na ako. So at the same time ay i-end ko na po yung ating vlog. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa channel namin. Sa mga bago pa lang po dito, welcome po in. Please don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell para po updated ka sa ating next video. If nag-enjoy naman po kayo sa ating vlog today, please like, comment, and share this video. See you po sa next vlog. Good night po sa inyong lahat.